Ever wondered why your stomach rumbles when you're hungry? It's not just making noise. It's your body's personal fuel tank calling for a refill. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of your tummy and how it powers everything you do. So, let's talk about the stomach. Think of it like a super smart, stretchy bag. When you eat that delicious sandwich or a crunchy apple, it lands here. But it doesn't just sit there. Your stomach walls are incredibly strong muscles that churn and mix everything up, kind of like a biological blender. They mash your food into a soupy mix called chyme, but the real magic happens with gastric acid. This stuff is powerful. It's strong enough to break down tough foods and zap most of the pesky germs that might have hitched a ride on your meal. It's your body's first line of defense. And don't worry, your stomach has a special protective lining, so it doesn't digest itself. Pretty clever, right? Now, what about that rumbling sound? It's called borborygmi, a fancy word for stomach growling. It happens when your stomach muscles contract to mix food, but it's much louder when your stomach is empty. The sound is just air and digestive juices moving around in there. It's your stomach's way of saying, hey, engine's running, but the fuel tank is low. So, your stomach is the fuel tank, but it's also a gatekeeper. It slowly releases the chyme into your small intestine, ensuring your body has a steady supply of energy throughout the day. This controlled release is why you don't feel hungry immediately after a meal. It's a sophisticated system designed to keep you going. How can we keep this amazing fuel tank happy? First, don't skip meals. Regular meals keep your energy levels stable and prevent your stomach from getting too acidic. Second, chew your food well. This gives your stomach a head start and makes its job so much easier. Think of it as pre-processing the fuel. Third, stay hydrated. Water is crucial for digestion. It helps break down food and allows nutrients to be absorbed properly. And finally, listen to your body. If certain foods make your stomach feel uncomfortable, it might be telling you something. Everyone's digestive system is a bit different. Let's do a quick recap. Your stomach is a muscular bag that blends your food. It uses powerful acid to break things down and kill germs. It controls the release of energy to the rest of your body, and that rumbling sound is just its way of communicating. It's an incredible piece of natural engineering working for you 24/7. Next time you hear your tummy rumble, give it a little pat and remember the amazing work it's doing. It's not just a grumbling belly. It's the command center of your personal power plant, getting ready to fuel your next adventure. Taking care of it means taking care of your entire body. Thanks so much for watching and learning about our incredible bodies with me today. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how you work. See you in the next video.